Hello, my name's Eder Fernandez. Going to be demonstrating assignment number 3. This one's a two-parter. So the first part here is to create a one-dimensional integer array. The user chooses what size this array shall be, and I will allocate this space with random integers that are non-repeating. So I scan the value, allocate the space for the array, and here is a for loop. Inside this for loop I have a boolean for repeats and a new integer. In this do while loop I have the new integer receiving the random integer plus 1. You'll see why I chose plus 1 here, and repeat as false for every time I go through this loop. Just want to have that boolean, basically that bit turned off, right? Go through the loop. I go through every element in the array and I check for repeats, and if I do find one, well, I go back up here, receive a new int, and I do that until the entire array is full. Down here I just output it. So let's see a quick demonstration. 5, 1 through 5. So you put 1 here in this array length plus 1, because then you will start receiving a 0. So it'd be 0 through 4, I believe. So let's look at that. If I do 5, yeah, 0 through 4. But that's not what the example showed, so I did plus 1. Next part of the assignment is a two-dimensional array. User chooses the amount of rows and columns, but this time it will be filled with random numbers 1 through 100. Doesn't matter if they're repeating or not, and the output shall be in a table format and in spiral order. And what that means is like this: table format. So this is the rows and columns, and spiral starts at the top left, goes straight across, then straight down. So 380, 99, 17. Go straight left from the bottom and then go up. So the first part, just allocate the space, initialize the entire array right here, and then just output it here. And here is how you do the spiral, or how I did the spiral order. Is I kept track of the top, right, left, and bottom values of this table, I guess. Or I guess just the index or the rows and columns, how far they go out and how high or low they go. And I just did for loops, so it just outputs the highest row, outputs furthest right, outputs lowest row, outputs furthest left that hasn't been outputted. So I have a counter to check if I have displayed all the values, and if I haven't, well, I just go through the loop again. But yeah, that's basically my code, and I appreciate you watching. And if you have any tips, I'd greatly appreciate that. Thank you.